Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin and the big move that we are about to see. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach. Welcome back to Finance Bro. I do want to mention, guys, that we do have a private Discord. If you guys want to get involved with our private Discord, where we talk about Shiba Inu Coin news, we discuss cryptocurrency news, and a lot more, then go ahead and use the second link in the description. You'll come to this page. Just basically pick any of these tiers. The $5 tier will get you the same stuff as a $20 tier. It's basically just a way, if you guys want to support us a little more, to support us a little more. But yeah, so as soon as you pick one of these tiers, you will get access to the private Discord when you connect your Discord to your Patreon. And also, if you want a free stock, then go ahead and use the first link in the description. When you deposit $1 on Public, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin and get yourself some free SHIB with that first link in the description. But anyways, here we are with Shiba Inu Coin today. So we're going to be talking about some technical analysis at the end of this video. So if you guys want to hear that, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. Also, we're going to be talking about a bunch of different Shiba Inu news and some price predictions that people other than us have made on Shiba Inu Coin. So if you guys want to hear all of that, stick around till the end of the video. Okay, so here we are with our first piece of news. I just wanted to bring up that Shiba Inu Coin has had 52 million% in gains this year. That basically means, I believe, if you put $100 into Shiba Inu Coin, you would be have $52 million, or it might even be if you put $1 into SHIB, you'd have $52 million. Either way, you would have a ton of money if you just put $100 into SHIB at the beginning of this year. Obviously, we all know this, but I just wanted to bring it up and kind of compare it to others. Even with Axie Infinity, Sand, Mana in the metaverse space, we are much outperforming all three of those and other kind of smaller cryptocurrencies at the beginning of last year, such as Terra and Matic and Solana, that are now tearing it up this year. We are still at the top. We are the peak meme coin, or the peak altcoin, as I would say, and I really like to see that. Also, I do want to mention that we are getting pretty active on Twitter, so if you guys want to follow us, you can follow us at It's Finance Bro. And yeah, so we did post this though that I kind of wanted to bring up. If you guys have seen, we're kind of doing a lot of 2022 predictions right now. We have an official prediction video coming out on the 1st of the year, but SHIB has an amazing roadmap set up for 2022. This roadmap includes the following, which are going to be Shibarium, ShibaNet, and blockchain gaming and NFTs. So if you guys are wondering, hey, what does SHIB even have coming up? These are the 4 things that I think are the biggest things that are going to be pushing Shiba Inu Coin further come 2022. So follow us on Twitter if you guys want to get some more content such as this. Okay, and here's going to be our second piece of news. It's going to be top Ethereum whales are still preferring SHIB as a leading asset. Here's some details on that. So when we look at this, as per a recent tweet by Whale Stats, Shiba Inu holds the largest USD position on the wallets of the top 100 Ethereum whales. So an analysis of the top 100 SHIB holders, $4 million were bought and $2.6 million were sold. SHIB price is up 2% in the last 24 hours. SHIB is now the biggest token by position of dollar value among the top 1,000 Ethereum whale wallets, and that comes from @WhaleStats on Twitter. We've been known to use them as a source, and they are a very, very good source. So yeah, the average balance of SHIB in these wallets is $2.6 billion, with the average USD value being $100 million. So people with a ton of money are putting a lot of faith into Shiba Inu Coin to make them more money, and they hold a ton in these wallets. On the list of whales analyzed by the Whale Stats team, the 2 biggest wallets hold around 1.5 billion worth of SHIB each, 38 billion and 40 billion SHIB respectively. One of them being called Light. Earlier this month, You Today reported that this person added $5 million worth of SHIB to their holdings. Meanwhile, SHIB remains the largest asset among the wallet's crypto holdings. The rest of the top 10 whales hold approximately 10 billion SHIB on their balance, worth approximately $381.4 million. And an anonymous whale just bought 11.5 billion SHIB today. So whales are literally loading up. Who knows what they could be planning for? Now let's go over some price predictions from someone other than me. Obviously, we got to bring other people's price predictions into this as well. But you can see here that they have a key support levels at the 30 and 34 levels. Personally, I have my key support level at the 36 level, which we're coming up on right now. I think we have more of a support at 36 and 34, but hey, we'll listen to them. And they think we have key resistance levels at 38 and 47. I personally think we have key resistance levels at 40 and 47. So we're just a bit off on our support and resistance levels, but I do like to look at other people's things as well when I'm making my support and resistance levels and my price predictions. The bias on SHIB, according to them, is bullish. Even if there's a pullback, that would likely be a healthy move before it explodes to higher levels. So yeah, those are their thoughts, but let me go over my thoughts on SHIB going forward. First off, let's go over the global crypto market. We are seeing a bit of a pullback in the market overall, and that's kind of why we're seeing a pullback with SHIB right now as well, down 2.26% over the last day. Earlier today, we were at a $2.42 trillion market cap. Now we're at a $2.34 trillion. So we've seen a pretty substantial pullback in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then also when we look at Shiba Inu Coin, we've seen just a tiny pullback, definitely not as much as other coins in the market. But the good thing to see is that the volume is up to 1.4 billion, almost 1.5 billion. When we look at the historical data, obviously something that kind of concerned me was that we are only doing $1 billion in volume over the past 3 days. It looks like we're going to be getting back to that $2 to $3 billion range here probably tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, we are going down, and that's kind of why the volume's going up, is because of sell volume. But normally when this happens, whenever we recover, we keep that same volume with us. So I'm definitely looking forward to see where we're at tomorrow morning with that volume. But yeah, now let's go over our technical analysis. So when we do look at this, we're obviously going to have a support line here at the 36. That is what I have it at, and then a resistance here at the 40, and then I think we're gonna have a resistance at the 47 as well, and then the 32 as well. So if we do break this support here at the 36, I think we could find our next support at either the 34 or the 32, more likely the 32. However, we have just been seeing red candle after red candle, so we'll have to see when we wake up tomorrow morning where this is at, and we'll do some more technical analysis at that point. But for right now, I think we're going to stop just above the 36 level because the RSI is sitting at 27 right now. That is very oversold. The MACD is trending down, but I would expect when we wake up tomorrow that the RSI is somewhere in the 40s, and then the MACD is starting to trend up as I make my next video. So I will make technical analysis video whenever that does, or whenever I wake up. But till then, just know that we have a support at 36. If we don't break that support, I don't think we will break that support. As for when we're going to break that key resistance level at the 40 to go up to the 47, which would be a very, very good amount of gains, about 20 to 25% in gains, I think we will break that support at the 40 in the next couple of days, probably in the next 2 days, after we've kind of cooled off, kind of sold off a bit, kind of reset, and then obviously try to break that resistance at the 40 and head to the 47. I think we'll do that in the next 2 days. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on the videos. It really helps with the growth of the channel. Also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 on the public platform, and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and spend on SHIB, which will give you whatever amount that you got out of the stock into SHIB, get yourself some free SHIB with that first link in the description. Use the second link in the description to get signed up to our private Discord. And then if you guys want to subscribe to our vlog and podcast channel, then go ahead and use the third link in the description, subscribe to that channel right there. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.